Is your iPhone storage almost full? You don't have to delete everything. Here's a fast cleanup using HEVCut.
First, open the App Store and search for Video Compressor HEVCut. Choose the purple app with this icon. Open the listing and tap Get to download it. When the installation finishes, tap Open.
The first time HEVCut opens, tap Allow Full Access so it can find the photos and videos you want to manage.
Start with videos. Large clips usually give you the biggest win, and HEVCut shows the estimated savings before you compress.
Next, open Photos and compress the largest images in batches. Everything is processed privately on your device. Then open Duplicates. Review the suggested best copy, keep the one you want, and remove the extras. Finish with Swipe Cleaner. Keep the photos you love, bucket the ones you don't, and confirm only when you're ready.